Introducing the Structure Series Collaborative Tables with Whiteboard Tops. Whiteboard Tops let students quickly work through their ideas. Collaboration is easy, with surfaces that let group members write and revise with ease. We designed these tables so all participants can easily see each other while they interact. The shapes also provide an ample reach, so students can fully contribute to group projects. Our tables also easily fit into each other, so you can change group arrangements on the fly. When the shapes piece together, you create a larger workspace with a compact footprint, so students can move around and access the items they need. A variety of tabletop shapes lets you choose the tables that let students most effectively collaborate on their projects. These tables are BIFMA approved, which means that they are tested to withstand 10 years of simulated classroom wear. This table also earned Green Guard certification, assuring the indoor air quality that students need. The Learniture team is happy to introduce you to our Structure Series Collaborative Tables with Whiteboard Tops, so your students can brainstorm, collaborate, and create according to their own unique needs.